Hey everybody. Alright, this week we're going to make a ear flip book. Last week we did the eye. This week we're doing the ear. So just a quick recap of things you're going to need. First off, you're going to need this worksheet. Alright, the worksheet that I sent to you either electronically or snail mail. So make sure you get that out. And of course you're going to need 4 sheets of paper. You're going to need some scissors, a stapler, a glue stick preferably. If you don't have a glue stick, then you can use good old-fashioned tape. And of course, you're going to need something to write with. So first thing you're going to do, just to recap from last week, you're going to take those 4 sheets of paper, you're going to stagger them like so. And then you're going to bend the 4 staggers that are on top and fold them over to these. So then you have 8 of them. You're going to seal it. You're going to take your stapler and staple it here and staple it there. If you don't have a stapler, I think paper clips will work too. Alright, then remember you're going to cut it right up the middle. Alright, and then staple the other side. And we're ready to go. And you have an extra one. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to label. And these are the things we're going to label on the cover, of course. This is called the ear. Then you're going to lift up the cover and you're going to do outer ear, ear canal, eardrum, we're going to do middle ear after that. And then the middle ear has 3 bones. The malleus, the incus, and the stapes. Then the inner ear, the cochlea. I know all of you want to pronounce this Coachella. Everyone does. All right, and then you want to put in semicircular canals here. Semicircular canals. And then on the last one, you want to put auditory nerve. All right, and once you have them all labeled like so, then you can grab your worksheet. And you want to cut them out. All of these are all the same, so you don't have to worry about where they're going to go. They're all the same picture. You're going to get your glue stick, and you're going to start putting them on. You're going to stick this one on the cover, and then you're going to put one of these on every single page. This is what we're shooting for, all right? So on the first page, on the cover is ear, then you have outer ear. All you're going to need to do is put the definitions this week. No functions, just put all the definitions of each one of these. Some of the words are in your vocab. They're bolded in dark blue in the lecture I sent you. And some of the ancillary words are in red. So those are where you're going to find some of the other words. They're all in the unit. And then of course, you will highlight each one. The outer ear will be highlighted. The inner ear will be highlighted, and so on. The eardrum, and you can use your ear diagram that I sent you to figure this out, to help you figure out which ones you are looking at. When you get to the inner ear is really just a section between here and here, all the bones that go in there. So you can either make little lines or you can circle it. I'm good with that. All right, make sure everything's highlighted, and then when you are all done, put your name on the back, and then just like last week, respond through Flipgrid to show me each page that you've done. All right? Have a good weekend.